Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2016 Toyota Tacoma SR5. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with keyless entry, splash guards, reverse opening doors, deep tinted rear privacy glass, and much more. 16-inch styled steel wheels, all-season tires, fog lights, auto-off projector beam halogen headlamps, daytime running lights, and a strong four-cylinder four-wheel drive with only 35,364 miles. The sliding rear window, LED brake lights, the tow package, a locking tailgate, and a comfortable back seat option with cup holders. The front row adjustable fabric bucket seating. Cruise, AC, a locking glove box, selective internet, outside temp, power outlets, a leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia and navigation touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth, and voice recognition, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.